Hi, in this video, we are going to learn what is coding. We all know that it is the hot topic these days that coding should be learned by everyone. So, why is it so? Let's see. In this world, we all know that there is a big problem that is language barrier. If I live in India, I say namaste, but the person living in France will say salut. So we will have a language barrier. We will not be able to understand what he or she is saying if they speak in any other language other than the language which I know, right? So we will talk in the language which I know. If I want to talk to you, you will prefer that I should speak the language which you understand. So if you and I understand a language, we can talk to each other. That means if we can communicate only if we can have a common language, right? So now if I want to talk to computer, how can I talk to computer? Computer is not a man like you and me. It can't speak English, Hindi, French, Spanish, American, not these kind of language. So how can I talk to computer? It's a big question. Now we all know that computer is a machine and it knows machine language, right? So that means if I want to talk to computer, I should know machine language. Absolutely yes. But now question is why? Why should I learn machine language? Why I want to talk to computer? So as we all know, computer is a machine which is made to help us, right? It is made to help us in all our works. So if I want computer to help me out in my work, I will ask computer to help me. If I don't know machine language, how will computer understand what I am saying to it, right? So if I want to communicate with computer, I should know machine language, computer language. Only then I can ask computer to help me, or I can say I can give instructions or commands to computer. So if I want computer to do things or follow my instructions, I will command computer in computer language. So this is coding. Coding is simply commanding computer in computer language to do things for us. I can make sure, just make sure one thing that coding is not a language. Some people mix coding with computer language. No, coding is not a computer language. Coding is commanding computer in computer language to do things for us. And as computer is not a human being, it does not know English, French, Chinese, Hindi, Punjabi, Marathi, Gujarati. No, none of these languages. It has its own languages, machine languages. The coder have made machine language, computer language. There are many coding languages like Java, JavaScript, Python, C++, HTML. So this is coding. And to learn coding more, just subscribe my channel and continue learning coding. Thank you.